Hello, plenty of fine weather in our forecast for the next 5 days. Some rain to come though across Scotland on Thursday. More on that in a moment. Many of us though, this is as close to any rainfall as we'll get. A few clouds bubbling up from time to time. Certainly for the rest of today, the picture across the UK will be dominated by sunny spells, thanks to this big old area of high pressure, keeping things settled. A little bit of a northwesterly breeze to the north of the high once again this afternoon could just feed in the odd shower to Scotland. Elsewhere, a fine story, and in the best of the sunshine, top temperatures perhaps 21-22 degrees Celsius. Definitely cooler than last week because we're feeding our air in from the northwest. Last week we were pulling it in from the very hot continent in from the southeast. Through this evening and overnight, a little bit more in the way of solid cloud getting into the far northwest of the UK. Elsewhere, some fairly lengthy clear spells and quite chilly in parts of rural Wales, as it was last night. We could get down to perhaps just 3 or 4 degrees in parts of the Brecon Beacons. But Wednesday dawns with plenty of sunshine. Through the day, the cloud thick enough across the Western Isles and the Highlands, perhaps to bring something a little bit more persistent in the way of rainfall, but eastern Scotland should still enjoy some decent sunny spells. And in Aberdeen, I think we're talking about 17 or 18 as a high. Again, 21 or 22 to the south. For Wimbledon, a great first week, uninterrupted play, some patchy cloud around through the course of Wednesday afternoon, but very pleasant conditions for those sitting courtside with temperatures of 21 or 22 degrees. Now here's a change for Thursday. The high still with us, but just notice there, sneaking into the north, a more meaningful frontal system for northern Scotland. Potentially an inch of rain out of that actually in some spots across higher ground. Always lighter to the lee of the Grampians, but a showery or cloudy picture for much of Scotland on Thursday. The heavier rain to the northwest. Further south, in the best of the sunshine, up to 25 in London. Likely to be our hottest day of the week, although Friday we could still see the mid-20s to the south before this whole weather system sinks south. Blue triangles on the front. It's a cold weather front. We're introducing some fresher air by the time we get to the weekend, but the high then re-establishes, so still plenty of fine weather to come, but our temperatures taking something of a dip.